little cable, your days are numbered. In front of us we have the D7W, which is the upgraded version of the D7S, which is the upgraded version of the D7. And this will be the end of that, because it's able to do all of that and a little bit more. We are doing the unboxing. We are seeing on what I spent my money recently, and maybe helping you decide if you want such a thing in your toolbox. Just to set up the scene, specs. Let's take a look at my notes to describe what this should be. This should be 2 gigabytes of RAM, 64 gigabytes of storage, 4-core 1.6 gigahertz processor, Android 10, the new graphic interface of Xtool, CAN-FD, DoIP, all the fancy stuff that this is able to do. And because this is the W version, everything is done without the cable, using the new Wi-Fi dongles that the guys at Xtool are using. So this is something unique to them. Apparently you don't find that many tools under the £1,000 range that feature this type of technology. All the magic from that one in a new user interface with fancy Wi-Fi, no cables. I should be living the dream without having to worry about the length of the cable, and I should be able to be in the car with a customer that is driving and do data logging without any hassle. I haven't opened the box, so this is new for me too. What else do we have in the pack? We have some paperwork. We have a USB to USB cable, UK adapter, EU adapter, and the charging brick, and the wireless. The main factors that convinced me in getting this unit were the fact that I wanted to add some accessories to my data logging and diagnostic capabilities. So I needed a USB plug for getting the endoscope, and also I wanted to be able to do data logging without having to place D7 very close to the OBD port. So now I'm able to even be as a passenger in someone's vehicle, do my data logging, look at my live data without having to worry about cables and other stuff. In a future video, we are going to go in an in-depth review after me testing this unit. Until then, thank you for watching and see you in the next one.